There's nothing better on a cold wintry day than a comforting bowl of soup. And I have the perfect soup for you, pho, my faux pho. And actually, pho is P-H-O, which I pronounced faux for the longest time until I was corrected. But it is this beautiful broth that takes a long time to develop, hence my shortcut version. And noodles and meat and vegetables and whatever you want to put into it, and a lot of wonderful condiments that go on the top that make it your personal bowl of faux pho. So let's get started on this comforting soup. It'll be on the table in 30 minutes or less. All right, I'm going to make this faux pho in my Ninja Foodie. So in here, I have just a little bit of olive oil heating up, and I'm going to add the mushrooms and the peppers. You can really use about any veggie that you want in here. A little bit of salt goes in there. And before I do anything else, I want to let these just saute down a bit. All right, now I'm going to add the greens. I have a bok choy here. Last time I added spinach and kale, but bok choy is really nice in this. And then I need to add in my garlic and my grated ginger. It's great just to keep it in the freezer and then zest it. It will come out perfectly every time. I'm going to go ahead and add the broth. You can use veggie broth. I'm using chicken broth in this particular instance. All right, and now that needs a chance to simmer just a bit. I almost forgot to add the red Thai chili paste, which is the flavor bomb in this that makes it taste like it's cooked all day long, like a real pho, but it's not. And while I'm doing that, I want to add a 1/4 cup of coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is kind of like a soy sauce. It's a gluten-free option that's sweeter like tamari, just absolutely delicious. And then, you don't have to do this, but I like about a tablespoon of fish sauce. It just gives it that very unique umami flavor. It has come to a bubble. I'm going to add in my shredded chicken. You can use a rotisserie chicken, or I don't know, you can even saute chicken in this if you wanted to. And then I had some peas. This is really open to interpretation as far as what veggies you want to use in it. And you can even not use chicken or go just total veggie. You can add some tofu to this instead. It's delicious no matter what. All right, and then just to give a little nod to creamy, which is not typical in pho, a cup of coconut milk. You're gonna love this addition to it. All right, I'm gonna give it another few minutes while my noodles are cooking. A nice soba noodle to go with this, and then I have all the toppings, which is what you want in pho. That's really pretty. Then if you want a little bit of cilantro, I like to tuck some mint in, and then those lovely little radishes, and then of course some peanuts for some crunch. And then here's my favorite, a little chili garlic crunch. Really, really good. These are the noise you get when you eat this pho. It's so good. You like it? I think you do.